Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to use CleanShot X Cloud for quick file sharing. So first guys, you just need to take of course a quick screenshot on your screen, or just use screen recording using your standard shortcuts like Command-Shift-4. Then when you release the keys, your capture will appear as a floating thumbnail in the lower left quick access overlay window. Hover your cursor over the floating thumbnail card to reveal the utility overlay options. In there, you just click on the cloud icon located on the right side of the pop-up panel. Then the application will automatically begin uploading your image or video asset directly into your connected CleanShot Cloud storage space. You will also see a small loading ring appear around the icon. The exact second the upload completes, CleanShot will automatically copy the live web link straight into your clipboard and dismiss the thumbnail, leaving your local desktop completely free of unedited file clutter. And now that the secure URL string is resting in your clipboard, you can paste it directly into your ongoing Slack channel, email, or a project management card using Command-V. And then guys, you can find your recent upload asset row and click the link to open it in your browser. From your cloud dashboard, you can quickly adjust your file settings, add a custom password lock, set a self-destruct expiration timer, so the file automatically deletes after a few days, or change the visibility rules from public to private. That is it. Drop a comment below if your upload progress bar is throwing connection timeout errors, and we might just help you out with that. If you've got any other questions, we welcome them, and as always, like and subscribe.